Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at PLR Mojo. Now essentially this is gonna let you guys create an automated and self-updating PLR website, and your website is fully loaded with 50,000 plus done for you products or assets like courses, videos, audios, trainings, content, ebook, articles, software, scripts, WordPress themes, and WordPress plugins. You can sell unlimited product you want to whatever price you want, and you can also make a passive income with this, guys, by setting up a membership subscription inside of your PLR Mojo account right here. So this is where you set up your membership subscription right here if you wanted to set up a monthly membership subscription inside of your website, right? You can connect your payment gateway right here, and there are multiple payment gateway that you can connect, like Autoresponder, Ideal, bank transfer, PayFast, PayPal, and Skrill right here. Right now, this is by the way your website looks like, guys, and you can customize everything right here, from the logo, from the category right here, from the look and feel of your website, from these products right here. You can customize the prices of this product inside of your account right here. Right now, before I'm gonna walk you through inside of this app, let me show you first my bonuses. That way when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you will get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out surefire your success with PLR Mojo. So when you guys click that link below this video, which is the first link, it will bring you to my bonus page right here. So this is my bonus page for PLR Mojo, and when you guys scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you're gonna get access, guys, to all of my custom crafted bonuses right here. Right, so my bonus number one, guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to the affiliate marketing course that I created, which is Crack the Code. Now this is gonna show you guys how to 5x or 10x the conversions of your traffic to make more money, and I put all of my knowledge in this training course right here. So that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, I'm gonna show you guys how to drive an evergreen free traffic into your PLR Mojo website. Now this is simple, proven but effective method to drive an evergreen free traffic to whatever link you want, and you can use your PLR Mojo website link and use this method to drive free evergreen traffic into your PLR Mojo website link. Alright, so that is my bonus number two. My bonus number three, I'm gonna give you guys access to an automated software that will let you put your link. It can be any kind of link. You can also put your PLR Mojo website link into the description of any kind of YouTube video, and this is a really powerful way to send unlimited traffic into your PLR Mojo website link or PLR Mojo URL. Right, so that is my bonus number three. My bonus number four, I'm gonna give you guys access to a backlink generator software. Now this can save you $67, guys, because one of the upsell inside of PLR Mojo is this rank easy right here, which is the OTO number 6. Now this is gonna cost you guys $67. Now what this upsell can do for you, it will let you access to an app that will generate you unlimited backlink that will help you rank on the first page of the search result. And this bonus right here, which is my bonus number four, do the same functionality. It will let you guys generate a limited backlink and can also help your website rank on the first page of the search result. Alright, so that is my bonus number four. My bonus number five, I'm gonna show you guys how to get $500 coupon or voucher that you can use for paid advertising. It can be Google ads, Bing ads, Microsoft ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, to whatever advertising marketplace you want, right? So those are all of my bonuses, and of course you also get access, guys, to all vendor bonuses, right? So those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick up PLR Mojo through the link down in the description of this video, just like I said, if you guys click that link, it will bring you to my bonus page right here. And when you click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will bring you this to the sales page of PLR Mojo. So this is the sales page of PLR Mojo. The headline says one-click software creates self-updating affiliate PLR website in 30 seconds, right? Alright guys, so this is the admin area of your PLR Mojo account. You can see how many registered users you have, active users, active memberships, and total products right here. But the first thing that you need to do is go to settings, click on this payment options right here, and this is where you connect your payment gateway. You can connect Authorize.net, Ideal, Bank Transfer, PayFast, PayPal, Skrill, and Stripe right here. This is where you manage all of your users. This is where you manage all of your products right here. If you wanted to add a brand new product, click on new product, put in the name of the product, the slug, the price of the product, the sale price of the product, and then the description. You can add in a product image and then a product audio right here. You can also add in a YouTube URL. So if you have a demo of that, product, you can also put a YouTube URL right here, right? And this is where you manage all of your files. This is where you see all of your transactions. This is where you manage your website by clicking on the settings right here, and this is where you configure your website. You can change the name, the website name, the company name. You can put your own email right here. You can upload your own logo right here, print logo, and this other things right here, right? You can easily change that one, and you can also change the language right here. You can add a backup. So if you wanted to make your website more secure, then you can create a backup right here. That way, if someone hack your website, you can always restore your website with your backup right here. And there's also a maintenance right here. Alright guys, and this is where you manage all of your content right here, from menus, categories, pages, countries, coupon, comments, custom fields. You can also set up a custom fields, news, FAQs, newsletter, and membership right here. So let's say you wanted to customize your menus right here. All you have to do is drag and reposition the order of this menus right here. And by the way, you can see the menu in the footer section of your page right here. Alright, and then if you wanted to add a category, you can also add a brand new category right here. And then if you wanted to add a brand new page, you can also add a brand new page by clicking on this brand new page. Let's say you wanted to add a home page, a contact us page, you can also do that right here. Countries, you can also manage all of your countries right here. And then coupons, you can also set up a coupon code. So let's say you wanted to create a brand new coupon code. All you have to do is click on that button, and this is where you create your coupon code right here. You can manage comments right here. You can create a custom field. You can use this newsletter or news functionality or announcement functionality inside of your website, and you can create FAQs and a newsletter as well. You can also send out a newsletter from your website as well, and you can set up your membership subscription as well. That way you can make a passive income, charging people for a monthly membership subscription. All right, so yeah, those are all of the things guys that you can expect if you guys get into PLR Mojo. And just like I said guys, if you guys would love to pick it up, through the link down in the description of this video. You will get access as well to all of my bonuses that I custom crafted guys to help you guys out and surefire your success with PLR Mojo. And by the way, there are some upsells for the front end. You can get the front end for $17, and then upsell number one is you will get access to a limited feature or limited version of PLR Mojo. And then upsell number two is done for you campaign. Upsell number three is automation. Upsell number four is 6-figure training. Upsell number five is reseller license. Upsell number 6 is rank is he. Upsell number 7 is stack mojo. Alright, so you can learn more all of the upsells inside of my bonus page by clicking the link below this video. Alright, so that's pretty much it guys. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comments section below. I'll try my best to answer all of the questions that you have, and I'll see you guys in my next review video. Bye, love you. Mwah.